Lapis Royal, McKeel, 206 Clemensville Road, and we're recording the sounds of fall and the beauty of fall. Can you see the beauty of the trees as they're changing colors and they're going off? The leaves are falling constantly, steadily. As you look down on the ground, you can see them. It's incredible. Look at that. Wow, look at that. Isn't that incredible? Cars going by. Zoom. Hear the wind. You can just hear the wind whistling through the trees. Wow, let's look at the trees. The leaves flicking and flapping. And that's the poplar. They always make these sounds like that. Incredible. Look at the beauty. These trees are different places. There's maples, more maples, the orange and the yellows. From over here, you can see my new buildings I just put up. Hopefully they'll stand the winter. Look at that. Look at the beauty over there. Isn't that incredible? Did you ever see such beauty? Wow. I'm in the circle of paradise. Incredible. Maybe called McKeel, but it sure does act like paradise. Wow, look at that. Right into the leaves, and they flap back and forth in the wind. Hear the wind. Oh. Wow, the sound. Incredible. I think this is the most beauty I've seen in one day for a long time. I've been on this earth for 66 years. More beautiful. So I guess that's all I had to say for this little video clip. Hope you all enjoyed it. It sure is nice to be able to do this. Bye for now.